Hey, hello, beautiful people. It's a wonderful afternoon right here. It's a beautiful day, and it's gonna be another beautiful knowledge that I will be sharing with you guys today. And today, I will be teaching about how you can attract the things that you want into your life. How you can attract things that you want into your life. You see, this is what most people don't actually know about. Most people don't know that whatsoever we want, we attract them into our life. Money, power, respect, fame, whatsoever you want, just name it. Everyone have a goal. Everyone have what they are passionate about. Everyone have something that they feel that they are good in that stuff, and they think that, oh, this is what they want to be. And the truth is that you can become whatever you want to be. Whatsoever you figured out that this is what you are good at, you can be that thing, you can attract it, you can get anything that you want. And we are living in a universe that responds to everything that we do. The universe responds to energy. The universe doesn't communicate by speaking or trying to communicate with us like the way we communicate as a human being. The universe do communicate with vibration. The universe only understands energy. And one of the greatest secrets to become or to get whatsoever you want, the number one secret is affirmation. When you are affirming things into your life, you are drawing things from the universe into your life. Because we are magnets. Humans are magnets. We are powerful beings. We magnet every energy that whatever we think about, the emotions, the feelings, and everything that we have within ourselves create an emotion. So the truth is that if you want anything, either money, love, or whatsoever, put the intention first to the universe. Put the intention first, and then begin to affirm it and feel as if you already have it. Because we are living in a universe that understands our belief. Because within us, we have the subconscious mind, which is the higher mind. The higher mind, which is the higher thoughts and the higher consciousness that lives in us. And this subconscious mind actually collects data from us, from our desires, our intention, and present it into the universe and present it to the infinite intelligence. Because every success, everything comes from God. Success, wealth, whatsoever you want in your life come from God, not from man, not from outside of yourself. People around you or whatsoever you think or what you are putting hope right now cannot bring you success or make you become who you want to be. God, which is source, which is the source of all creations, the infinite intelligence, is the only thing that can give you whatsoever you want, that can give you the success, the wealth, the power, the fame, and whatsoever. All you need to do is to connect with that frequency, match with that vibration. Everything is energy. For example, maybe you want to become an actor. You have the skills of acting. What will you do? All you have to do is to put the intention into the universe. See yourself as an actor, as a top actor or an actress. Visualize yourself acting already. Have that feelings and submit it to the infinite intelligence. Then it comes to you back as an idea, as a thought, as a powerful response of good feelings. Because everything begins with vibration and energy. And first of all, you have to put the intention into the universe. Say your affirmations. Say everything that you want in your life. Speak it into your life. Whatever you want to become, speak it into your life. See yourself as if you already have it. And all these things are going straight to the subconscious mind, which is the database. And when you reprogram your mind for success, it comes back to you as a good feeling and as an ultimate idea, to bring solution into that problem, or to bring an positive idea that will make whatsoever you are working on, come into reality. Because everything starts from energy. Your thoughts, your actions, your feelings create maximal and powerful energy. That is why we have to be careful of the thoughts that we allow in our mind. Thoughts are powerful. Our thoughts are so powerful that happiness, sadness, or whatsoever begins from your thoughts. If you want to be happy, be positive, focus on the things that you want, you'll find out that you are feeling good all the time. And whenever you're in the present moment, you're in this moment, it will be difficult for you to acquire this kind of negative thoughts that will bring you sadness or depression. The reason why a lot of people are depressed, the reason why a lot of people are not happy, even a lot of people are rich but they're still not happy, is because of their thoughts, their mind. They cannot control their mind. Their mind is always taking control of them, giving them negative thoughts, negative ideas, negative self-belief, negative self-thoughts, and negative attitude. And all these things are creating a powerful energy in their aura field that makes them depressed and makes them attract more negative things in their life. But when you become conscious, spiritually conscious of your thoughts, and you begin to focus on your thoughts and watch the kind of thoughts that is coming up, if you are conscious, you will observe that most of the thoughts that we are having each and every day, let me say 60% or 70% of those thoughts are negative, because of all these negative patterns that we have created for ourselves. And when you become conscious, you find out that 60% of all these thoughts are negative, and just maybe 30% or 40% are positive. So you have to become conscious and see the kind of thoughts that is coming into your mind. You can stop your blessings, you can stop whatever that is coming into your life by thinking about negative thoughts or having this negative self-belief about yourself. That is why we need to involve more in love. Love is the way out. Love is the key. Love is the only answer. When you become passionate, you become grateful. You are so grateful for what you have. Like everything that you have is so satisfying, and you are grateful for it. That makes you more successful and more wealthy, because wealth and riches or success or whatsoever is not by how rich you are or how popular you are or the kind of fame that you have that makes you rich and wealthy. Being satisfied with what you have, being grateful for what you have, and have that good feelings within you that yes, everything you want for the day, you have it already. Because life is a journey. Every day is a new day to learn and grow. So if you have a wonderful day and you have the money to spend, and you have the right food to eat, and you have happiness, you have inner peace and freedom, that is wealth, that is real riches and wealth. So you have to give thanks and be grateful. Be grateful to God that yes, you have all these blessings. This is genuine wealth and riches and success. We are becoming successful each and every day, because when you begin to realize that success and wealth is all about inner peace, evolving into love and compassion, loving yourself, having compassion for other people, loving other people, be grateful for what you have. Be satisfied with what you have. And always give thanks to God that yes, you have all those blessings in this moment. That makes you rich and that makes you wealthy. This is what you need to know. So whenever you want to manifest anything in your life, whatsoever you want to become, an artist, an actress, a comedian, a speaker just like me, a life coach, footballer, whatsoever you want to be, you can be. Just put this intention into the universe. Affirm it. Every morning when you wake up or before you go to bed, speak into your life. If you want to become one of the biggest artists in the world, say to yourself, I am the biggest artist in the world. I am famous, I am rich, I am successful. Everything I have, I am satisfied with it and I am grateful for it. Speak good things into your life. Say to yourself that, yes, I am getting opportunities. People are calling me for contracts. I am blessed. The universe is always providing my needs. Money comes to me easily. I am satisfied with the blessings that I am receiving. Everything I need comes to me in divine timing. I am blessed beyond measure. I am strong. I am powerful. I am sensitive. All these are powerful affirmations that we need to speak to ourselves. Wealth, riches, fame, whatsoever is not acquired outside of ourselves. Everything has to begin from inside of you first. Everything begins from inside of us. It begins from inside of us. If you already you feel it. You have that feeling that yes, what you have, you already have it. You believe in the universe. You have faith in God. You have faith in yourself. And have faith that yes, whatsoever you want, you deserve it. You deserve to have it. The feelings of deserving is a very powerful energy, a powerful vibration. I learned that along my journey actually. When I begin to realize that yes, I deserve whatsoever I need. I deserve to be successful. I deserve to be happy. I deserve to have freedom. This energy of deserving increase your vibration and it opens up your energetic field to attract more good things into your life. And we were conditioned and programmed to believe that we are not good enough, that we need some certain people or some certain skills or some certain tools to get to where we want to be. The truth is that everything you want to be, everything we want to become, have to start from us, have to start from within. We are powerful within. We are powerful inside of ourselves. Within us, we have everything that we need. All the answers to our questions is within us. All we need to do is to believe and just go within ourselves. Learn how to control our mind, our thoughts. Learn meditation. Pray if you can pray in any form and ask for guidance, because real success and freedom comes from God Almighty, from the infinite intelligence. It doesn't come from anywhere else, because the infinite intelligence always communicate with us through our feelings and powerful higher thoughts and ideas, to make our desires and our wishes come into fulfillment and into reality. It has to come from thought. Everything you see around the world, all the powerful things, the technology and everything, it starts from the thoughts. It starts from an idea. And those ideas actually comes from the infinite intelligence, which is source energy, which is love, the divine source of all creation. Everything comes from God. Imagine God just turn off the light. Everything in the universe, all the light is going to turn off, including our soul. He is the beginning and the end. He owns our life. So everything we have to do, we have to put God first and make sure we lay our foundation on the feet, and make sure we lay our foundation on the feet of the infinite intelligence, so that He can help us walk through the paths with ease. So thanks for listening to today's message, guys. This is what I really want to share with you guys, and I hope this message will change your life, and I hope you've learned something new today. I will see you in another message. I upload like 3 times weekly, and I'm trying to make people see life in an expensive way. I want people to see life in a way that will make us to become more independent and more desirable, to know that we are capable and we are powerful enough to become who we want to be. And this is my purpose and my mission. I want to make people become more independent, to make people know that they are powerful enough, that they can do whatsoever they want to do, that we have all it takes to become who we want to be. Just go within, satisfy your soul. After deep knowing that you are not alone, that everything comes from the infinite intelligence itself, from God. He knows your life. He is the reason why you are on this planet. God is the reason why you are here, to learn lessons and grow. He knows everything. He is the creator of everything. And thank you so much for listening to this message, and I'll see you in another message. And please always turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop new videos. I love you. Bless. Thank you.